We don't like punches. Huh?
The blood of Jesus.
Yeah.
It's you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What happened? Why are you looking at me like that?
I want to see you.
You came to see me?
Yes, now.
Okay. What thing happened?
No, nothing. I just finished selling my plantain, so I decided to come and see you now.
You know me before?
Profile is talk like this. I'm that girl that came to sell plantain for you. With that thing now.
Plantain for me.
What type of plane is this? You are a mumu man.
Can't remember.
Bro, supposed to remember now. If I don't know you, if I don't know this place, if I don't go sell plantain for you, yeah, I'll come here today.
Okay, so I no come pay you that day.
This man.
You pay me now. Why will not pay? Just that I decided to come and see you. I saw my plantain finish, so I decided to come and.
If you sold your plantain finish, you should be going home from there now.
No, I want to see you.
You came to come and see me. This is me now. You are seeing me.
No, I want to see you.
Which one are you pointing inside? You want to see me? This is me here. So tell me what you want to tell me. Stop pointing inside my house.
Bros, you know what I'm talking about. Don't you like what you see? See now. I don't like what you see. See now.
Jesus.
Don't you like what you see? I want to see you. It's you. I just want to come and see you.
You want to come and see me?
I want to see you.
You want to see me inside? Is sure you want to see me?
Where else? Is this not your house? It's you I want to see now. And I know that you have cold water in there. Like very cold, you know. Very cold.
If it's that one, I have cold water inside though. I have very cold water. I even have the one way block where.
Exactly.
So make I go bring that for you.
No now. No. You're supposed to go inside to get that. I came to see you. I go.
You want follow me go inside, enter inside?
Yes, no.
You sure say you want follow me enter inside?
You're supposed to go inside to get that.
You are serious, so?
You're not blind.
You sure you want to enter inside this house? You want to see me inside?
Yes, I want to see you inside.
Yeah, now.
I repeat you.
Don't run!
What do we hear of this?
It's not you!
Some just happen right now. If you like rushing and crash out and die.